Welcome to Grand Canyon University's Canyon Professional Development. Topic 1 includes an introduction to social and emotional learning. This is a short overview of SEL competencies. The Collaborative for Academic, Social, and Emotional Learning, better known as CASEL, updated their definition of social and emotional learning in 2020 to include the areas found in this graphic. You can see in orange self-awareness and self-management. These are skills that require us to look within. Responsible decision making requires us to look in, but it also requires us to understand how we interact with others. Green involves others specifically. It's the development of relationship skills and social awareness. The first competency, self-awareness, is demonstrating character traits such as honesty and integrity, identifying personal identity, beliefs, and values, understanding your personal thoughts and feelings, students knowing one's strengths and weaknesses, and identifying if one has a fixed or growth mindset. Understanding how behavior is influenced by the thoughts, ideas, and biases that students hold true. It's also important for us as educators to be self-aware, looking at each one of these areas and asking where we are at personally. Self-management is one's ability to manage emotions, thoughts, and behaviors, one's ability to regulate behaviors and emotions, one's ability or level of being self-disciplined and self-motivated, to take initiative, to organize time and space. For students, this includes their backpacks, this includes their desk area, lockers. Are students able to plan effectively? And do they have an ability to set goals for self and their group? Class goals would be one important area here, and also school community goals. Responsible decision making. Are students able to kindly and effectively make positive behavior choices? Do they interact appropriate with others across social settings? How curious and open-minded are they? Are they able to understand others' perspectives? Are they able to identify solutions? Not just one solution, but multiple solutions to problems. Do they understand that each decision and action has consequences? Do they understand how decisions and actions impact others? And do students use critical thinking skills to make decisions? Relationship skills. So this is one of our green areas that involves others. Are students able to develop and maintain healthy relationships? Are they able to navigate diverse social settings? Communicate effectively? This is not only with peers, but this is with adults and students that may be younger. Are they able to work with teams and solve problems collaboratively with others? Do they make positive choices regardless of pressure from others? Are they able to navigate conflict constructively? Do they show empathy for others? And our last competency is social awareness. This is a student's ability to understand the perspective of others, to recognize strengths and weaknesses in others, to show compassion and empathy, gratitude. Can they identify social norms, understanding that what's acceptable in one setting may not be acceptable in another setting and vice versa? Can they recognize situational opportunities? And do they have an awareness of influence of systems on behaviors and social norms? For more information, you may subscribe to Be Free PD or subscribe to the Grand Canyon channel. For customized professional development, you can reach out here as well. Thank you for joining us today.